everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is the Burger Product Reviews, and today I'm gonna unboxing a new product for today. So I think 7 products, and this is good. And I buy this on online shop Shopee, and I'm gonna show to you what is inside of this unboxing today. So this is an unboxing vlog for today, and we're gonna open it up one by one, and we're gonna see what's inside. Okay, so here it goes. Here it goes. Okay, so before we start, here comes our second intro in this vlog. Okay, thank you so much, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, and hit that notification bell to notify all of my upcoming future videos here in my channel. Okay, so let's start it up. So here we are. So I am back, and now my second intro is done, and now we are going to unbox these new products. Okay, so let's start it up, guys. Okay, and I'm gonna set it set this little chair on it, this circle chair over here. So let's start unboxing or unpacking it up. So okay, so I just buy this in only one shop, and seven products is in this box. Okay, or wrapped. So okay, let's unbox it up or wrap it up. So let's gonna carefully open it, and we gonna start it up. Okay, here. So this is what is this called? Inflatable. This is an inflatable, what is this called, like this one. So that's our dog. So and then his, so this is the, like this one. So let's gonna open this up, and like this one, and our dog is eating something. Okay, don't mind him. So this is a little, what is this called, you have to put some water on it, and then so into that small containers. Okay, so this is nice, and this is also a collapsible. And so the next one is, yes, is this one. So this is the vapor water bottle that can, what is this, that can collapse, so that can fold. Okay, folds, rolls, or flattens when empty. So this is a reusable water bottle, reusable plastic water bottle, and this is nice. Look at that. So in order to fold it, so let's try to get this one. Okay, this is the features. So reusable, foldable, attachable, identifiable, freezable, and washable. So not suitable for children under 36 months due to small parts. So this is the, what is this called, the water filler. And this is really what this one is. This, I can fold it like this one, and then like this one, and then like that. So I can fold it like that. Okay, and then it is also a this one. So I need to clean this up first. I need to boil it with hot water. Okay, so the next item, so what is this? So this is all the products that I bought in the shop. So there's a what is this called? The receipt. There's the receipt, and then the next one is I have this waterproof cover for your smartphone. Yes, you heard it right. So this is a waterproof cover for smartphone. Okay, and then we're gonna open it up. So just in case when you are in, just in case when you're on a tour, swimming, so there you go, you have this kind of waterproof case for your waterproof case. And then how to open it up. So okay, so this one here is sling hole, and then how to open waterproof bag. So switch lock outward. Okay, and open by switch look outward. So I open it up, and then I think this one. Yes, this one. Okay, this is right. This is right. So have to put your phone in the you have to put your phone in here, and then after it you can. So we're gonna have a short. So I'm gonna have a short review of these products here in my channel, so that you can see how will it looks. Okay, so I'm gonna close it, and that's it. I'm closing it. Okay, so next product is this one. Yes, this travel pouch bag for your techs and gadgets. So let's try to open it up, guys. Okay. Okay, this is because it is a Chinese. So cable pouch sugar coral. So that is the color. And this is the tech pouch for your what is this called, for your uh, for your techs and gadgets right here. And then like that. Yes, in a mesh pocket, and also you can put some cable wires in here, so USB cables, chargers, earphones, or power banks in here. So this is a nice travel pouch bag for your techs and gadgets, your cell phones, smartphones, power banks. Okay, so next item is here. This is the next item. This is a waterproof backpack. This is a waterproof foldable backpack. So let's try to open this up. Oops, sorry. Let's try to open this up, and then let's check it out. So in here there's the what is this called, colors. There's I think green, navy green, pink, and blue. So I chose the blue color on it. So this is the backpack. Yes, there it goes. It's the backpack. Yes, right. It's the backpack over here, like that. So this is good. This is great. I love this kind of backpack, so that you can easily, what is this? So you can easily use it during your camping, bikepacking, or backpacking, and then you have to put your items in this bag, so that it will not be by the rain. So this is the waterproof foldable backpack. Okay, so next item over here is okay, I forgot what is this. Okay, so let's open this up, because it's in the box. It's put in the box. Oh yes, I forgot. Okay, this is the collapsible coffee mug, which you can bring it everywhere and on the go. So this is the collapsible coffee mug. Look at that. Wow, nice. Love this. I love this collapsible coffee mug. So let's check it out. So, and yes, wow. Okay, so collapsible coffee cup, food grade silicone NPP 140 grams, volume of 350 ml, sizes of 85, 85, 135 to 57 millimeters. So portable, the classic design of collapsible coffee cup is very popular and perfectly for travel and daily usage. Safety, food grade and BPA free silicone, safety protect your whole family. Please be cautious when it's filled up with hot liquid. Don't shake. Way of opening the lid. Okay, like this one. So don't shake. Okay, you don't have to shake it. So please be cautious when it's filled up with hot liquid. So here it is, the one, and I chose the color black. So let's open it up. Okay, another plastic again. So this is the plastic. So how to open it up? Okay, like this one. Okay, okay, this one. Okay, and then you're gonna put this over here so that you can, and yes, you have now your own. And how to open it? Like this one. So you have now your own coffee mug on the go. Coffee mug on the go. So you can use this on the go, so you don't have to shake it. And also be careful with the hot liquid inside of the be careful, hot liquid inside the inside the water bottle. So this is good, this is perfect for your travel. This is good also for camping, bikepacking, backpacking. So this is great, this is good, and I love this kind of foldable coffee mug. So really, I badly really need this kind of coffee mug, so that everywhere I go I can use this coffee mug. Oh yes, indeed, you're right. So how to fold it again? So just like this one, and then you have to you have to put the one, this white in here, and then you're gonna, yes, gonna like it that. Okay, perfect, perfect. And I think the last one, yes, it is the last one. So this is the last one. So okay, let's gonna take this aside off. So this is an foldable knife. This is a foldable knife. Okay, for EDC survival gear. So this is a foldable knife for your EDC survival gear. So how to open this up? So I think I don't know. Okay, I forgot how to use this. So I think this one here is have to close. Okay, have to close, and then I'm gonna use it like that. So yes, that one. Okay, I'm gonna lock this up. Okay, there's a lock on here, so that it will lock up the, and yes, yes, that's it. So that it will lock up. These are all the items that I have bought. Let's try to, so these are all the items that I bought. So this is the waterproof bag for your smartphone, the foldable water bottle, and then a traveling pouch for your text and gadgets, and the foldable knife, the foldable backpack, and the foldable coffee mug. Also, this one is a I forgot what is the name of this. So let's check. Oh, this is the silicone foldable funnel. So it is a funnel, silicone foldable funnel. So, okay, and that was it. That was okay. So that was my unboxing for today, and I'm gonna do a review of these products that I've been unboxed. So in a couple of days, I'm gonna be unboxing these products, and so that was my unboxing. Okay, so if you like this kind of vlogs in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and also like my video, and you can comment and share my you can comment and share my vlogs in your social media, just like Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. And also don't forget to like and follow my social sites. Okay, and please subscribe to my channel for more product reviews here on my channel. Texting gadgets, electronic gadgets, kitchen gadgets, appliances, living room tech appliances, and everything that I show to you here in my channel. I will make a vlog of it. So thank you so much for watching and subscribe. Okay.